USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. Before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find these links. You can click on join free telegram to join the telegram channel to get some free signals every now and then check out the prop firm and the broker, sign up with them here. Sign up with the broker if you want to trade with my signals separately. I don't want you to mix anything. So separate broker account for my signals, because I will ask you how many trades did you win using my signals. Okay, so sign up with them, subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to the chart, starting with the weekly time frame in a top down approach. In weekly, we are still down. Okay, new low is not created, so we are trying to go up. Weekly doesn't make sense. What's going to happen tomorrow? So for that, we have to come back to daily. In daily as well, we did not break this high. So where's my line? Right here. There we go. So this low is not yet broken, which means we are only looking for longs for now. Okay. So also at the same time, I know that this week dollar is gonna go up. Okay. So if I know if dollar is gonna go up, then why will I take short in USDCHF, right? One more thing you need to understand that USDCHF both are strong currencies. Okay, so you will not see many, much price movement or volatility, just like Euro GBP. Euro and GBP both are strong currencies. So I don't even trade these two currencies personally. Okay, so if you want to trade USD pairs, there are many options: Euro, GBP, AUD, NZD, USD. You can trade all these pairs and you can avoid the USDCHF. But yes, as per the analysis, USD is going to go up this week. So look for longs only. I told you this low is not broken. So look for longs. Okay. Coming back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we have uptrend, sexy pullback. Okay, these candles are from Friday. Friday is a fucked up day, last day of the week, so whatever happens on Friday doesn't really make sense. Okay, so if you see this uptrend here, then pull back to 78%, pull back until 78% is called a very sexy pullback. Okay, we are clearly going up, and take your profit somewhere here. Okay, so USD take a look for longs, and that's all I have to say. Otherwise, you have too many pairs to trade with. You can trade USD CAD and all these pairs. Okay, so go and watch analysis of these pairs from my channel and decide which one trade. Otherwise, look for longs in USDCHF. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like, join the telegram, sign up with the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.